Talk about radiant energy.
Greetings, my good sir. I am Nikola Tesla, the inventor extraordinaire. Today, I shall enlighten you about radiant energy. Radiant energy, also known as scalar energy, is a form of energy that exists in the universe. It is unbounded and has no inherent direction or polarity. Unlike electromagnetic energy, which is the energy that powers most electronic devices, radiant energy does not flow through wires or conductors. Instead, it is present in the structure of space-time itself. One of the most fascinating aspects of radiant energy is that it can be harnessed without the need for wires or conductors. All that is required is a device that is designed to tune into the natural frequencies of the cosmos. I have often spoken of the possibility of harnessing this energy and transmitting it wirelessly to locations around the globe. I am convinced that radiant energy is the future of energy production, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we live our lives. By tapping into this infinite source of energy, we could eradicate the need for fossil fuels and create a sustainable future for generations to come. In closing, I leave you with this thought: the possibilities of radiant energy are limitless, and we must continue to explore this fascinating and mysterious force to unlock its full potential for the betterment of humanity. Thank you for your attention, and may the power of radiant energy be with you always.